Winter Wonderland in Toronto, the snowstorm brought the city to a halt, but let's take a moment to enjoy the beauty. People braved the snow, walking and driving carefully. Some enjoyed snowboarding. Even dogs were curious about the white stuff. Amazing! The city was paralyzed, with everyone trying to navigate through the snow. Some chose to stay in their cars, keeping warm. Walking in a winter wonderland, people in cozy jackets and boots roam the snowy streets. Thanks for watching.